If you found a baby house sparrow outside of its nest, leave it where it is and monitor it for a couple of hours to make sure its mother doesn't come back. Look for the mother circling overhead or watching from a distance. If the mother doesn't come back, put gloves on and carefully scoop the baby bird up and place it in a cardboard box filled with cloth towels. If the baby bird doesn't have feathers, set the box on a heating pad and turn it on the lowest setting to keep the bird warm. Orphan birds are often dehydrated, so use a dropper to pour some room temperature water onto the bird's beak to give it something to drink. To feed the bird, mix some soft cat food with water. Use a clean dropper to carefully pour the cat food mixture into the baby bird's mouth. Repeat this feeding and drinking process every 2 hours until the bird isn't interested in food. Then, feed it once every 5 to 6 hours. Once the bird grows feathers and can fly or move around on its own, release it into the wild. If you can't raise the baby sparrow on your own, call a local wildlife refuge to pick the bird up and take care of it.